Hi my friends, today I want to show you how to make the paper flower. Let's go! We need 8 paper circles and glue. Fold the circle in half. Rotate and fold in half again. Unfold. Fold the bottom edge to the center line. Turn over and make a crease from the bottom corner to the right upper one. The petal is completed. Fold all the petals this way. Connect them together with using glue. Turn the corners to the other side. The flower is completed. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye!